You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk spark plugs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to see the engine cover that needs to be removed so you can access the spark plugs. Take off the engine cover. You should now have access to the 4 ignition coils that need to be removed so you can access the spark plugs. Switch off the power supply to the coils. To do this, lift the holding spur on the connector, then pull on the terminal. You can now carefully remove the coil. Tip: we recommend using a thin plastic tube taped to the end of a hoover bit to properly clean around the spark plug. Using a socket wrench or a T-handle wrench, a big extender and a 16mm spark plug socket, unscrew the spark plug and unscrew by hand to save time. Remove the spark plug.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new spark plug. Put the new plug in place. Always start screwing by hand. Then finish by fixing it in place with a socket wrench. There are several techniques for tightening the spark plugs. You can use a torque wrench and employ the torque setting recommended by the manufacturer. Or you can use an angular torque gauge to respect the recommended angle. We strongly recommend watching our tutorial how to tighten spark plugs before carrying out this step. Replace the ignition coil. You'll hear a click when it's correctly put in place. You can now repeat the same process on the other spark plugs. Reconnect the power supply to the coils. Finally, put the engine cover back in place. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.